Hello and welcome. Instead of my usual chatty co-host, I have my strong but silent partner with me today, and a couple rodentia. I've added to the Disney pin collection and wanted to share what I found. They are celebrating 70-year anniversary. So here was this one, the castle. And we have Alice and the Queen. And we have the Rose from Beauty and the Beast. And if you're not already aware, I've got a thing for mystery boxes. So I grabbed a couple. This first one is the Disney Imaginative Icons box. And these are the possible pins that you can get. You get 2 per box. And the ones I got are this one, from Aristocats. Aristocats. Can't even say it. And I think this is Monsters, Inc. I think. I could be wrong. And then, as seen in a short that I did earlier, we have Disney Villains. These are the possible pins, characters that you could get. And we have Cruella and another one. So that was the addition to the collection. What do you think? Did you see one that you like? Do you collect pins? What do you collect? Let me know. Inquiring donkeys want to know. Like, comment, subscribe, notification bell, you know the routine, and we will see you in another video.